Hi, I'm Mac. That's right, Mac, the investor monkey. Have you ever heard the saying, curiosity killed the cat? Well, in my case, curiosity almost killed my wallet. It all started on a sunny morning in the jungle. I was drinking my banana coffee as usual when I heard two monkeys chatting excitedly behind the bush. One of them said, "I bought this thing called banana coin last week, and it already doubled in value." My eyes sparkled. Doubled in a week? As I munched on my banana, I thought, this is it. I'm going to get rich without lifting a finger. Early retirement, here I come. Without even understanding what crypto really was, I grabbed all my savings, a respectable stash of ripe bananas and a few gemstones I found in a cave, and exchanged everything for banana coin, a brand new cryptocurrency promoted by a southern orangutan on social media. He wore sunglasses, talked fast, and said the coin was going to the moon. How could I resist? But then came the little problem. The next day, I woke up and saw that banana coin had gone up even more. I was thrilled. I started to feel like a financial genius. I even changed my jungle group nickname to Mac the Digital Millionaire. I even made a post with a golden filter on Junglegram. But 2 days later, everything crashed. Out of nowhere, the price fell like a rotten coconut from the top of a palm tree. I checked the news and, surprise, the orangutan who was promoting the coin had vanished from the digital jungle. They said he sold everything and disappeared with the profit. A classic scam called a rug pull. You know that X that appears in cartoon characters' eyes when they faint? That's exactly how I felt. I panicked. I tried to sell what I had left, but no one wanted to buy. Not even for free. Not even in exchange for a bunch of green bananas. There I was, staring at my empty wallet, with only a sad downward graph and a warning that said, high-risk asset, invest with caution. Yeah, would have been great if I had read that first. And that's when it hit me. Investing without understanding is like climbing a tree blindfolded. You might reach a branch, but you might also fall flat on your face. I learned the hard way, yes, but I learned. Today, before putting my bananas into any investment, I study. I watch videos, read articles, and talk to other monkeys who know the ropes. And most importantly, I never invest just because everyone else is doing it. So, if you're thinking about getting into crypto, here's my monkey-to-monkey advice. Don't jump on the branch without looking where you're going to land. Learn, understand, ask questions, because the money jungle is full of traps, and not every banana is real.